Y'all, look at that gorgeous salmon that came out of the oven. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. Now, I don't ordinarily do this, but I'm going to let y'all know how good it tastes, okay? So I'm going to take a taste. See how it just flakes? That's when you know you've got the perfectly cooked salmon. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Oh my God, I gotta get another bite. Mmm. Oh, you can taste the butter and the lemon and the seasoning. Oh my God, it's so good. Would you like a bite? Here you go. All right, I need you to, can you put full on this and just sit there? Oh my God, I'm sorry y'all, I was still recording. All right, you guys, we have 2 packs of salmon. This pack came from Food City. It looks a lot better, I think. This pack came from Walmart. But we're gonna cook all of it. We're gonna bake it. I just melted my olive oil and sea salt Land O'Lakes butter. And I had a little bit of that Italian herb Kerrygold left. Garlic and herb. So I put that in there a little bit for some extra flavor. We're going to open our salmon and we're going to start getting it all prepped. Alright, so we have these ones opened now. And I'm going to open this second pack over here. I love baked salmon, you all. And for low carb, oh my God. So good. I could eat it every night. For real. And it was on sale too. It was on sale for $15.58, so that's great. I mean, that's not a bad price at all for this salmon. What do y'all think on that price? Do you think that's a pretty good price? Alright, so we have some really nice sized pieces. 5 pieces actually. That's excellent. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do, I got this yesterday. This is supposed to be really good. It better be for $9.84. But this is the Spice Hunter Seafood Grill. And it is a grilling blend for your fish. We're going to be using that. And we're going to be using some Himalaya salt. Along with our butter. And we're going to be doing some lemon on the top. So the first thing I'm going to do here is go ahead and take my butter that I melted. And I am going to generously paint both sides of my salmon. Butter makes everything better, y'all. And hey, when you're low carb, you can have butter and not feel bad about it. Not in excess, you know, you don't want to eat a lot of it because it's not the best thing for you, but boy, oh boy, does it add flavor to your food. So does citrus. Citrus with salmon baked in the oven. Oh, Lord, it is so good. All right. Looks like we got that done on that side. Now we're going to flip them over. I just use my hands when I'm cooking, you guys. So I want to generously put it on the skin. Now, if you don't like the skin, you can take the skin off. However, I love the skin of salmon. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do what we did on that other side. Right here to the back. And salmon is not hard to cook. You know, you don't have to use a meat thermometer. Once that salmon starts flaking, you know that it's done. You never want to cook your salmon beyond that point because then it is not going to be very good. It can get tough. But I'm definitely going to get my weekly planner and my grocery haul put on YouTube this week, you guys. It's probably going to be Sunday, though. Okay, now we're going to flip these back over. And we're going to do the same thing once again on this side. Got a little bit of that seasoning. Salt first. And then our spice hunter. If you prefer Old Bay, of course you can use Old Bay seasoning. All right, now we're going to take our lemon and we are going to squeeze that lemon juice on there. Don't worry if seeds get on that. That's totally fine. I wish I had some oranges. I would do lemon and orange. But I don't have any oranges. Now when I put it in the pan, I'm going to actually lay it on top of these lemons I've just squeezed. So they'll have even more of a citrus flavor. Alright, now that we have that done, we have these laid out on our lemons. I'm going to take foil and cover it up and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 and I'm going to check it about every 15 minutes to see if it's done. You just take a fork and if it flakes, then you know it's good to go. All right, y'all, now we're going to do our salad, our tossed salad. And you know what? I've been saying I was going to do broccoli to go with our salmon, but I think I'm going to do asparagus. All right, y'all, now we're going to start prepping our asparagus. And I am going to use the same foil with the fat from the salmon and those seasonings for the asparagus to sit in. But I'm also going to add, I had to eat that. So good. Oh my God, that's so good. But we're going to take our asparagus, I'm going to lay it on this pan, and then you'll see what we do from there. Okay, so I want to make sure I roll all that asparagus in that seasoning and butter and fat from the salmon. Really, really good. Really good, because that is going to give it such good flavor. Okay, the secret with making your asparagus in the oven, I normally do it on the grill, but in the oven, you want it to have crispness. You don't want it to go boogery. You don't want it to be snotty. So you don't cook it that long. All right, so that's got a nice sheen on it, and we're going to go ahead and start seasoning. Now we are going to take some lemon. We are going to squeeze on there.
Well, it's trouble is, my legs aren't working. Really? Here, take this bag of supplies. Well, other than that, watch your footing. Not today.
I just thought it was odd. Not sure what's up there. My father took care of the same. So, after his advice,
And these were just wedges that I used. Now we are going to take just a little bit of Badia Complete, sprinkle on here. And we are going to put this in the oven at 375. And And we're going to just eyeball it. We're going to keep checking it because we don't want it to get soggy. So right now, we're going to just dice up our cucumber that we have right here into little pieces. And once again, I don't have my veggie chopper out, but that's okay. I kind of like dicing up my vegetables. And y'all, I love cucumber. I so love it. You know, it's one of my favorite vegetables. In the summer, I love to grow cucumbers. It is so fun. God, y'all should have saw my cucumbers last summer. They were big. And we ate them. We ate all of them. I had all kinds of things. All right, there's our cucumber. All right, now we are going to reserve the rest of this cucumber. And we are going to take this rest of this tomato that we were using last night. I have got to get groceries this week, y'all. I'm going to be showing you my grocery haul. So we're going to just dice this tomato up. I really like tomatoes that are not real ripe to go into a salad, because if you get one too ripe, it makes your salad all wilty the next day if you have any left over, and I don't like that. But anyway, we're going to dice this tomato, and we're going to dice some red pepper to go into our salad. I'm just going to put this in our bowl over here with our cucumber. And start dicing our red pepper. Oh my God, I thought I was recording and I wasn't, y'all. I just diced up a little bit of red pepper. Now we're going to do this onion right here. We're going to dice it up a little bit more, and we're going to dice up the rest of this orange pepper to go into our salad. I love onion. Now, I know some people don't like onion, and I'm always like, when I hear people don't like onion, I'm like, huh? How can you not like onion? Like, how? Onion is so good. I love onion. Now, purple onion has a little bit of a bite to it, but I still like it.
About to make a delivery up there myself. I've been to the monastery many times, but I've never even
Just drop this on over there in our bowl with our tomato and cucumber and red pepper. Now this is our orange pepper, just a little bit. We're going to dice up just like the red to go into our tossed salad. Isn't that pretty right now, you guys? I don't have my lettuce in it yet, but that is so pretty, all those colors. So pretty. All right, now we're gonna do our egg, and then I'm just gonna do iceberg lettuce. Now we're just dicing up our egg, you guys. 2 eggs. See, that thing cooks so good. I'm gonna have to put a link for it in my description box. So if, in case y'all don't know about it, you can get you one. All right, y'all, now we're gonna take our iceberg lettuce and we're gonna cut it real thin. Because I like my lettuce in a tossed salad thin. I don't like big chunks. And I normally make a big tossed salad because I like to have a salad the next day. So I normally use all my lettuce. Not all the time, but The majority of the time I do.
Are you still on recording?
My daughter's asking me if I'm still recording, and the answer is yes. What do y'all think? Don't y'all think my daughter should be in here learning how to cook? Now with our salad, y'all, I am going to put some pepper jack cheese on the top. You can put whatever cheese you would like, but I'm going to do pepper jack. And then I'm going to top it off with our Texas croutons. We just drop them right on in there. Perfect salad. Now we're going to do our asparagus.